I have watched this long video and will summarize it for you, so you can decide if you want to watch it too with the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. In the opening of the interview, Tom introduced his guest doctor, Andy Galpin, an expert in exercise physiology, muscle building, and fat loss. He explained that they would have a deep discussion to unravel myths and answer questions on fitness. Dr. Galpin first explained the concept of progressive overload, that you must consistently ask your body to adapt by applying stressors. He emphasized that you do not need to train excessively hard, just diligently and consistently. Your body wants to adapt if given the signals. Intent and focus when training also matter, not just the external level of effort. Regarding diet, Dr. Galpin outlined key differences between nutrients. Carbohydrates are stored in muscles as glycogen, while fat gets stored throughout the body. For fat loss, carbon dioxide is mainly exhaled out through breathing. You can burn more fat during exercise, but that does not directly mean you lose more body fat overall. Protein is key for building muscle, and a bolus of protein alone boosts synthesis. Consistently meeting daily protein goals is critical. Dr. Galpin emphasized that for fat loss, calories must be controlled regardless of whether they come from carbs or fat. There is metabolic flexibility if activity level is accounted for. Limiting calories while maintaining protein helps retain muscle mass when in a deficit. Gaining lean mass requires a calorie surplus, not excessive overeating. Regarding workout protocols for muscle gain, Dr. Galpin recommended approximately 25 sets per muscle group per week. Setting minimum protein intake is crucial, and then ensure sufficient carbohydrates to fuel workouts and recovery. Micronutrient needs must also be met through whole foods or supplements if necessary. For injury prevention, Dr. Galpin advised to identify the root dysfunction rather than just treat superficial pain. Assess movement compensation patterns, motor control deficiencies, and sleeping positions as potential causes. Listen to pain signals, but recognize neural responses can persist after tissues have healed. In summary, Dr. Galpin highlighted key evidence-based insights on strategic training, nutrition, and recovery. Gains require consistency in applying stressors, not just intensity. Understanding your body's adaptation and nutrition needs are key to boosting muscle, burning fat, and preventing injury. Dr. Galpin emphasized that biology is neutral. It simply adapts to the signals given. There is no universal perfect diet or training plan. The key is controlling inputs and giving your body the right signals for your goals. Patience and consistency will pay dividends. Avoid extremes or overcomplicating things. The interview was filled with myth-busting fitness facts. Dr. Galpin clearly explained practical strategies for making consistent gains by working with your body's natural adaptation abilities. His wisdom provides a great basis to transform your nutrition, training, and mindset on the journey of health. That's all for this summary. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, set the notification, and drop me a comment. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.